Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to show you a walk-around, startup, and drive video on this 1976 Ford F-150 4x4. Now, this truck has 51,000 miles, two-owner truck. The truck originally came out of the state of Washington, where it spent the majority of its life. And then a friend of a family members of mine bought this truck and had it ever since. The gentleman passed away. You know, this truck may look a little rough around the edges, but it runs like a Haitian migrant during the Trump presidency. This thing is super solid. Yeah, you'll see it's got a little bit of rust over the wheel well in the back, a couple little pinholes in the bottom of these fenders, but I'm telling you, it's a 1976, and it's got all the original body panels on it, and it's very restorable. Or drive it just like it is, because I've driven this truck. I drove this truck home 2 or 3 nights in a row. Probably, I don't know, I've had this thing for 5 or 6 months, so it's been a little while. Just now got around to advertising it. So it runs and drives great. Power steering, power brakes, 360. The 360 is a new crate engine from, it was installed by Ford dealership in Monroe, Wisconsin. So it's got less than 10,000 miles, the gentleman told us, on the engine. And when they did that, they put a new power steering pump on it, new master cylinder, they put a new radiator in it. He said they just kind of went through the truck, gave it a good old tune-up. It's got a newer set of aluminum wheels, Cooper Discover AT3 tires. Got 2 spares in the back, because what's better than 1? That's 2. Starts up and runs great. The heater works, dash pad's cracked, headliner's all there, dome light cover there, got a hole in it. 4-speed, 4-wheel drive, horn works, left turn. Maybe it needs a flasher, I'm thinking, because wipers work. They don't start flashing, so. I don't think the radio is gonna turn on. Okay, turn that one on. Now we're working out. Here, hit the brakes. All right, we got a tail light out on the right side. License plate, we got 1 license plate light bulb out. Look, listen to it run. It runs great. You can see the engine's super clean. This truck is $10,900. 76 Ford F-150 short bed, 4-wheel drive, 360, 4-speed. And look, ta-da! Spotlight even works. Whew, that was close. About knocked that mirror off the side. Which way is this road blocked off now? This has only been going on for how long? Yeah. There we go. good running and driving old truck. Temp gauge works, voltage gauge, fuel gauge, oil pressure, speedometer, all that stuff works like it's supposed to. Just a super cool old truck, you know. I mean, I think it's neat the way it is. Or restore it. You like these old trucks, Bryce?
I do. I think they're pretty neat. They're just old and, you know, they hold their value, I think. I don't know, it's very comfortable for the original interior.
Yeah, heck yeah. We're not going to go outside of town. It runs down the road very, very well.
Oh, yeah.
She's got some power, that 360 and a 4-speed. She'll light a tire fire.
Yeah, that first gear seemed pretty touchy when I was pulling it in there.
Yeah. She's a bad boy. Something about a truck. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars every day. Give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this 1976 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive short bed. Appreciate you all watching our videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll be back with you here shortly with a GMC pickup truck. Talk to you guys soon.